My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware, the new ransomware type infection called Zazas. In this video guide, you'll find out why exactly it is called Zazas and what it does with the files. So, before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open any files without any complications, pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data pretty easily. Regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Zazas ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon, very soon, people realize that something bad has happened with the files and that they cannot use their files anymore. So this is what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Zazas extension. Of course, the ransomware tries to trick its visitors, tries to trick its victims into paying the ransom for file restoration. It places this ransomware note on your computer screen mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom and to contact this email address for file decryption. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good solution, and this doesn't guarantee that the files will be recovered. So do not ever pay the ransom. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager of your computer. It could be that you will find some processes that could be related to the ransomware. If you find them, you need to terminate these processes. Considering removing the ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use your Internet Explorer browser by going to the page combocleaner.com. So use this official website to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching your system. Initially, the program is in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your computer. The scanning might take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware in Combo Cleaner. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is the part of the premium license only. Then at the end of the scan, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, fake system optimizers, and other threats. So at the end of the scan, the summary will show you the numbers of threats, their location, and we do recommend upgrading to premium. This is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure and to remove this nasty ransomware called Zazas.